So now let's do the model revision. Okay. Fill in the blanks with should, would, may, might, can, could. Like this you have to fill in the blanks. Let's start with the first one. Children dash obey their teachers. No options are given over here. These are fill in the blanks. So now let me write the answer. You just write in the comment box first and then see the answer. The correct answer is should. Children should obey their teachers. Okay. He said that he does not come for the party. First you write down in the comment section and then see the answer. So the answer is good. So it would be in that way. Like he said that he could not come for the party. And first answer is, the first answer is should and the second answer is could. Let's move to the third one. We blank to honor our parents and the answer is ought. So here I have written it. Moving to the fourth one. James blank swim across the river when he was young and the answer is could. So it would be like James could swim across the river when he was young. Okay. Moving to the fifth one. They blank come any moment. So the answer will be they may come any moment. Okay. So now moving to the sixth one. I blank very much like to see my old school again. And the answer for the sixth one is would. I have written onto the screen. Okay. So I would very much like to see my old school again. Moving to the seventh one. You blank try once again and the answer is you should try once again. Okay. And this is commonly used statement, so you must know it. Moving to the eighth one. I blank do it, said the student. So the answer will be I can do it, said the student. So now moving to the ninth one. The students said that he blank do it. So it will be could. He could. So here I have written the answer on the screen. The answer is could. The student said that he could do it. So just see the difference between 8th one and 9th one. Okay. Just a minute. In 8th one, I can do it, said the student. And in 9th one, the student said that he could do it. Okay. So see the difference and then write the answers because many of you confuse in this. So now moving to the last blank, that is he blank lift that heavy box and the answer is might. So he might lift that heavy box and the answer is in front of your screen. So now moving to the B1 blanks. In B, fill in the blanks with shall or will. Only these two you have to use modal verbs and then you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Which one? Shall and will. Okay. So let's start first. Blank I make a cup of coffee for you and the answer is shall. Okay, so it will be like shall I make a cup of coffee for you? Second, blank you please open the door. Will you please open the door? It will be like that. They blank be talking all the time without doing anything. They shall be talking all the time without doing anything. So now moving to the fourth one. You blank not harass your friends and the answer is you shall not harass your friends. Then moving to the fifth one. You blank get a prize if you do not make a mistake. You will get a prize if you will not make a mistake. So now in C1 exercise, you need to fill up the blanks with appropriate modal verbs. Okay. So now let's start. It is a conversation and you have to fill in the blanks. And this conversation is between shopkeeper and customer. Shopkeeper says that blank I help you. So the answer will be can I help you? Then customer answers yes. Can you sew me t-shirts XXL please? Then shopkeeper says that alright sir, I blank show you several designs and with different shades. So here it will be I will show you. Okay. That blank be the one Thomas told me about and this sentence is said by customer. That must be the one Thomas told me about. Blank, you please tell me its price. So it will be, can you please tell me its price? So here shopkeeper says that it cost only rupees 599. So customer says that okay, I blank take two of them, the blue one and the white one. So I will take two of them, okay? So shopkeeper say okay sir. So this was all about the revision of models. Moving to the next revision topics. Now talking about the revision of determiners. So let's start. Fill in the blanks with the right words from the brackets. So here brackets are given. Let's start from the question 1. How blank rice can you eat? Many or much? So how much rice can you eat? So much will be the answer of the first one. Okay. Moving to the second one, that is blank skateboard is the red one. Who or whose? And the correct answer is whose skateboard is the red one. So here I have written the answer in big words. Right. Moving to the third one. Just a minute. How blank kilos of rice should we buy? Much or many? How many kilos of rice should we buy? So many will be the answer for third one. So now moving to the fourth one, that is over here. The cricket bat with the blue handle is blank, my or mine. So it is a common answer and many of you speak like this during cricket matches. So the answer is mine. Okay, so now moving to the fifth one. Only blank people have phones in this village. Okay, so I am reading this one and the answer is a few people have phones in this village, and the options were a few and little. So I have said the answer, that is a few. Okay, so now moving to the sixth one, that is present over here. Blank students scored full marks in the test, and your options are a little or several, and the answer is several. So several students scored full marks in the test. So now moving to the next question, that is seventh one. There is blank dough to make 20 cookies, much or enough? So the answer is enough. There is enough dough to make 20 cookies. So now moving to the eighth one, blank the students were in the auditorium at 12 p.m. and your options are all or such. And the correct answer is all the students were in the auditorium at 12 p.m. So now moving to the ninth one, blank level of the video game is different quest, and your options are each or either, and the correct answer is each. I have written over here. So now moving to the 10th one, blank cookies can we make from this dough? How many or how much? So it is obvious that we will use here how many. So correct that option, that is how many. So now moving to the 11th one, room number 206 is blank room and room number 209 is not blank. And your options are ours and ours. So two options are given, two blanks are given. So you need to use suitable options in the blanks. Okay. So the correct answer from R and ours will be, in first blank you need to write room number 206 is our room and room number 209 is not ours. So it will be like this sequence. Moving to the last 12th one, in the examination I did not have blank time after I finished my essay, and your options are any and some, and the correct answer is any. Now moving to the next determiner exercise, that is fill in the blanks with the right word from the given options. Options are given, 4 options are given over here. You need to tick the right one and you have to fill the blanks, right? So let's start. Question 1. Unfortunately, I have blank talent for music, although I have always wanted to be famous singer. Option A, a few. Option B, little. Option C, plenty. Option D, few. And the correct answer is little. Unfortunately, I have little talent for music, although I have always wanted to be a famous singer. Okay. The report concludes sadly that blank students have blank knowledge of nuclear physics. And option A is very few and some. Option it is halfly written. Then option B is both and whole, and option C is every and no, and option D is none and any. And the correct answer is the first one, very few and some. Okay, so by mistakenly there the second option was not written, so I have written over here. You can see here also and here also. Then moving to the third one, although blank spaces of fox are reddish in color, blank Arctic fox is often pure white. Options of your are most, the, any, the, a great amount of, and none. And the correct answer will be most and the will be the correct answer. How? Let me read it and then you will understand. Although most species of fox are reddish in color, the Arctic fox is often pure white. So this will be the way. Okay. Then fourth one, the Amazon in Brazil is blank longest river in blank South America. And your options are the and, B option is and the, C option is the, and D option is none of this. And the correct option is C1, that is the and the two times. How? The Amazon in Brazil is the longest river in the South America. Fifth, we could barely get any information at the airport. Blank people seem to have blank idea about the flights. A option is only a few, B option is a lot of any, C option is many any, and D option is few and no. And the correct option for fifth one is only a few and here some is also there. So in first blank only a few and in second blank some will be the answer, right? So now moving to the sixth one. Blank his friend speaks any English, neither of, some, both of, or none of this. And the correct answer is, so the answer is neither of for the sixth one. Moving to the seventh one, he is an expert on languages but he know blank about mathematics. And your options are several, little, much, and the option is a little. And the correct answer is little. Okay, for the seventh one. So now moving to the eighth one, there were blank people at meeting earlier but most of them left early, so there aren't many loads left now. So the options for you are several, little, much, and little, a little. And the correct answer is several. Moving to the ninth one, blank people enjoyed the performance of the theatre company but I don't think it is a successful one. And your options are much, every, several, few. And the correct answer is several people enjoyed the performance. Okay. Moving to the 10th one, Johnny is a keen player but unfortunately he has blank skills. Your options are little, some, few, none of this, and the correct answer is few. So here let's proceed further with the 11th one. If you have blank question, I am ready to answer. If you have any question, so any will be the answer. And the options were any, few, much, and little. So I just said that any is the correct answer. So now moving to the 12th one, there is blank water left, so drink only if you need, little, much, some, none of the above. Little, sorry, here there is little water left, so drink only if you need. Moving to the 13th one, blank coat will do if doesn't need to be a raincoat. Options are any, few, little, and some, and the correct answer is any coat will do. And then moving to the 14th one, I did not have blank trouble getting the passport. I only have problem with my photo because it was old one. Several, any, many, much. Much will be the answer for the 14th one. 15th, if we don't move faster, we will miss our transfer to Munich. There isn't blank time to waste. Any, few, little, and many. And the correct answer is any for the 15th one. So now moving to the 16th one. So actually there was a printing mistakes, so I have corrected the number. You will go on with the 16th one. There it is written 17, so I have cut that. Okay. Last summer we went on blank cruise in Caribbean. Among blank island we visited were Bermuda and Bahamas. And the options for you are: A option is A and the, B option is the and N, C option is N and the, and D option is the blank. So the correct answer is D. That means here the and here also the. Last summer we went on the cruise in Caribbean. Among the islands we visited were Bahamas and Bermuda. Okay. Then here moving to the 17th question. This is 16th. Okay. Blank teachers prefer a class that is fairly consistent in having pupils of the same level. Options are most, each, many, none, and the correct answer is most teacher prefer, that is fairly consistent in having pupils of the same level. Okay. 18th question is blank drawing is different, very few, each one of the, every, all of the, and the correct answer is each one of the drawing is different. Moving to the 19th question. Heavy fines and jail sentenced have made blank difference in preventing elephant poaching for their tusks. Little, few, a little, none of this, and the correct answer is little. Okay. A little will be the wrong one because many of you write a little, that is wrong. Moving to the 20. So we had 20 questions today. There was a numbering mistake, so just correct that. Okay, just a minute. Here it is 20. Okay. I don't think there will be severe shortage of usable water because there was blank rainfall yesterday. A lot of, little, any, few, and the correct answer is a lot of rainfall. Okay. Today we are going to do passage based MCQs. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So here it is written that fill in any 4 of the blanks. So any 4 you need to cancel and fill in the blanks. So you need to fill up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all. Okay, not only 4. Here we also need to choose the most appropriate option from the ones that follows. Write the answer in your answer sheet and all. So that line you just cancel out, that you don't need to write it in answer sheet. If you have, then okay, but if you don't have, then you can just hear me and do the practice of this type of grammar. And students also, this is from CBSE Delhi outside Delhi set 1, and this was asked in 2020. Okay, so that's why I have given you in 2021. Okay, so let's start with the paragraph. Communication, first blank, become very effective. So communication has become very effective. So here in first blank, has will be the answer. Okay. Blank, instant due to smartphone, and second blank, and after that instant due to smartphone is written, and second blank option are but, as, or, and, and I think the correct answer is and. How? Let me tell you. Just read it. Communication has become very effective and instant due to smartphones. Is it looking like a correct sentence? Yeah, so we are going to use here and. People are able, third blank, convey their message all around the globe. So third blank option are foreign to, of, and the correct answer is people are able to convey. Okay, so 2 will be the right answer. People are able to convey their message all around the globe to fourth blank, loved ones. So fourth blank option are his, her, their, your, and the correct answer is their loved ones. Fifth blank, spending hefty sum of money. So options are with, without, and to, and the correct answer is without. Now let me read the paragraph with the answer so that you can just clarify it. Communication has become very effective and instant due to smartphones. People are able to convey their message all around the globe to their loved ones without spending hefty sum of money. Hefty यानी कि ज़्यादा पैसे वेस्ट करने की जगह हम लोग we can just communicate through smartphones.